Hello, welcome. Let us discuss about keywords, identifiers and comments. These three programming elements in Java. Firstly, let me open the IntelliJ IDE and let me create a class first. And let us discuss it practically. IntelliJ IDE, I will open the project that we have created earlier. So this is a class that we have created earlier. For this purpose, I will create another class. So within the module 1, I will create one more class, new Java class. I will call it as keywords. Here I will be using Pascal case. It means every word first letter is capital. This is the naming convention that we have discussed in the previous lecture. So keywords, identifiers, comments. So this is the class that I have created now. Now firstly let us understand about keywords in Java. What are keywords? Here keyword means reserved word. Keyword means reserved. For example, here public is a keyword, right? This is one of the keyword. Class is also a keyword, right? And data type names such as int, return, like this there are many keywords in Java. And these keywords you cannot be used as a name. For example, let us say I want to declare an integer variable int class equal to 10. I cannot do this because this class is a predefined keyword, right? I need to give some other variable name here, right? I can say like for example age, something like this. So now error is gone. So we cannot use the predefined keyword here. For example, public equal to 10, like this we cannot use because public is a keyword. Keywords cannot be used as a variable name. They have a specific meaning and they have to be used at the specific place only. These are the examples of some of the keywords. So next one is identifiers. So identifiers means user defined names. These are user defined names. For example, here age is a identifier. This is an identifier. For example, I will say first name equal to Raj. This is also an identifier, that is a user given name. This first name is an identifier. Age is an identifier. This is a user provided name. And this user provided name has to be different from the keywords. We cannot provide this keyword as a username. Next one is comment. These are all comments here. For example, whatever front slash them, this is a comment. This is a single line comment. If you want to write a multiple line comment, then you need to use a front slash star, line 1, line 2, line 3, so on, right? And it will end with this particular symbol, star front slash, right? This is a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. This is a single line comment. This is a single line comment. And these are identifiers. So we have discussed about the keywords, identifiers and comments. We have two types, right? Single line and multi-line comments. So this is about keywords, identifiers and comments in Java. We have many more keywords, not just this. For example, this private is also another keyword, protected is also another keyword, so on, right? There are many keywords. As we progress in the course, as we do more and more programming, you will come to know about more and more keywords. But just understand this, these keywords cannot be used as a user defined variable. So you need to use these keywords in the proper place in a proper way. So this is about keywords, identifiers and comments in Java. Thank you for watching.